Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this pretty crude picture that would not trace, and they only need help with the brown outline and the black line around it. Pretty easy. I've already got the picture quite small. Tell you what, we can make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline, Trace, Clip Art. Trace it pretty good. Now, you still want to use that because it's still crude. Well, it's not too bad. But what we're going to do, we're only going to use the brown right now. We're going to go to Object and Group and ungroup it. And we're going to take away the black line. We're going to take away all this garbage. We're going to go ahead and take away all the gray matter and the black around it. Just takes a second. Now we're going to use that shape. Whoop. I don't know how many times I've done that during a video. Now we've got the shape. I don't like the way, well, it's part of the picture right there, but I'm going to fix that right now before we do anything. I'm going to grab the shape tool and I'm going to take that out of there a little bit. Then this is orange and brown, so we don't really can't do too much with it. But if we take the Smart Fill tool, set on black, and whoop, I got my nudge factor set real high. Let me start over. That's less than 3 inches. Let's make our nudge factor 3. Let's take the Smart Fill and fill that in. We can left click, right click, go up to Object, break the curve apart and get rid of that box and get rid of there. There's our brown. Now we're going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. Let's move this out of the way. Let's get our outline and hit P. And then we need to put a frame inside. And I'm not going to pay too much attention on size right now. I'm going to hit P. Pretty close. I'm going to take, and I'm going to say they want that brown. They might not. And I'm going to fill that in. Now we need that black. So what I'm going to do now is take the square. I'm going to take the brown and make a duplicate of it and take away the fill and just the outline and get the outline. Matter of fact, let me move that brown box out of the way for just a second. I don't need that box. I could use that box, but I'm not going to. Go up here and change your, with your ratio locked, change it to 102% or so. Make that, put that box back in it. Now get your Smart Fill tool and let's set on a black. And now let's move that up. Go up to Object, Order, Back a Page. So now we have that brown frame with black around it. Now you could do that with the shadow tool, but that's a pretty cool effect. And she said she can do the rest. That would be really easy. She was having just problems with doing that. Anyway, I hope that helped her a little bit. Thank you for watching.